Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable Hey Google on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to Google. Over here switch to all services, scroll down and go to settings for Google Apps and go to search assistant and voice. Over here go to Google Assistant and then choose Hey Google and voice match. Over here you can enable Hey Google by tapping on the slider on the right side and to the right side. And if you have this option enabled, if you tap on the slider, then of course you will disable this feature. So you want to press on the slider to turn it on, and if you do this for the first time, you will need to pretty much set up the assistant by going through some sentences. So you need to say out loud everything that is being said over here in order to set up Hey Google. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.